Army.
Ano? Ikaw.
Balmans food up and go live.
Put up and go live.
Ikaw lang yun, pre. Ikaw lang yun namatay.
Just one set, boys. Then just chill in hideout if you die.
Sorry
Please
hindi
don't die
ako
first engage,
perfecto,
boys. Come on, wake up.
Mali ka. Caller ka, tapos hindi ka perfecto.
Everybody, make sure you guys MPTB.
Sa ascent na sila.
Everyone dismantle me. Video lag check.
Nagkot ako ng thesis na.
Do lag check. Everyone get ready. Look at the inside, okay? Full engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop everything.
Nakabed ng basi.
May papunta na dyan ah.
Yeah, everyone mount up.
I'm survive, holy shit.
Yeah, everyone wake up.
Nice one, go to.
Zone.
Nagmamark na yan.
GG, 5 FPS.
Ready ah.
Sana dapat.
Ito na ditang nila nakatiten.
Ballistas target the ballista first.
Saka off ang namespace.
Comes out.
Mark ng...
Nung kalaban, party 2.
Okay.
Party 3 pala, party 3 pala.
Comes out.
Yo, ballistas target the ballistas first, then DB Himats.
Ako na mag
How big are they?
May bomb squad sila mag-
They should have no bomb squad. They should be playing one engage.
Sige.
Full brawl.
38.
They're 38, okay.
The bastions rotate your E and your W's ha.
Oh my god, I
Watch
can
for
see
engage.
Pakol.
Para isang engage lang yun sa Pakol.
Kamis.
Brawl ba sila?
Trying to
Tulak
look for
niyo yung mga
brawl.
yung mga brawler.
Brawl ko.
Kamis.
Ang lag ko talaga.
Party 3. Off ang names ng kalaban to.
Nag-OC na sila. Food
Come
up.
right. Just come back net. Oh my god, I'm a choke here. Mama.
Woo! 3 FPS.
Oh, makita si Pakol.
They food the post already.
Yeah.
Just tell me where they're going, where they're heading. Are they heading towards me, okay?
Sino pitilit na ano?
Uh,
Gcash ka na mag-mark ka.
Walang magmamark sa
video.
amin.
Ang galag.
Kaya mo yan, Resty.
Work niyo si Pakol.
Kalaban to.
Yeah, tell him I will kick him if he doesn't
They're
get the fuck
walking here.
out.
They're walking here na yun.
Yo, food up. OC.
Sino yung isang bastion?
Si...
Live
Si
Sino
Yun.
may OC?
They're walking, right?
Si ano,
Yeah.
Pera.
Road,
Yeah.
on the road.
Pero
Yeah,
ikaw
clear the
muna
mobs
sa...
on the west side. Come.
Wala
Ito
siya
si
sa...
Pakol.
Wala siya sa PTP.
Clear the mobs here.
Ako na.
Income siya
Ay,
lang.
come back east side, okay? Yo, Battleman's in the front.
Salitan sana kami ng ano.
Still on the road. Still walking.
Road. Pag wala na.
Just still walking, ah.
Yeah.
Yo, wake up, okay? Careful,
They're going
spread north to
Wait
side.
mo na muna siya
They're
mag-engage.
They're going west side?
I-drop yung sa
They're
kanya.
going west side? Are they walking
Yeah.
west side? Okay.
Bago ka.
Come
They're going
west.
west na.
Baka hindi siya ano, naka-follow.
Sorry boys, I
kayo.
cannot spam. Game muted me for being so racist. Come sa tus. Come na tus.
Pwede mag-withdraw na OC.
Yo, listen, behemoths, tanks, make sure to hold them down this, okay? There's a
Alam,
very
hindi.
big choke, okay?
Nasa west
Okay,
side.
good.
Sabihin mo.
West side, can you ping where? Yeah, there should be downhill, right? Downhill of me?
Yes,
Or are they
sir.
going uphill east side? Which one?
What the fuck? Yes, sir. Yung pagkamit.
Come east side. I think they're on the east side.
Don't choke.
They have 3 ballistas.
Southwest?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ingat sa ano ha?
Yeah, careful over the wall.
South
Okay.
no.
They're going
Don't-
southeast now?
Watch the
Yeah.
Come east.
Hold niyo yung mga brawlers.
Come east. I don't see a ping, nigga.
Don't choke, Ugi. Don't choke south.
They have flame bus.
Careful. Yo, listen, spread. Tanks, control them from walking in, okay? Their brawlers are stepping up, ah. Careful. Spread. Do not be too close, okay? Careful. Mahal ka east side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side shallow. Oh, come back fast. Ready defenses. Come back west. Kill the front line only. Yo, brawl shallow only and come west side. Okay, come west side. Kill everything.
Outside daw, baka
Kill everything
may
shallow. Okay, now hold.
Going back.
They step
Hindi pa
back.
napupush.
They step back, okay? Just hold.
Bumalik.
Listen, careful only.
Ay,
Don't
ay,
fuck yet, okay? Yo, kill the tanks inside. Kidnap the tanks inside if you can. Okay,
Pa-silence
Gloves,
lang ano,
get them the
guys.
tanks if you
Pa-silence
can.
lang. Balik ka.
Defend. Southie shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southie shallow. Let's tank side. Okay, come back. Yo, careful west side. Careful east side. Nice one, Leopard. Nice one, Kaba. Hold. Come west side. Careful. Heal up front line. Heal up my front line only. Yo, listen. Careful on the east side, okay? Careful on the east side, boys. Careful on the east side. They have engaged. Focus last engage. Careful. Battlemount, stay in the front, boys. Stay in the front. Careful. Just hold them down the choke. Listen, okay? Wait only. Ready defense, okay? Careful on this choke. Yeah. Ready. Careful. Just careful, boys. Do not step up. Chill. We cannot push them until we kill more of them, okay? Just chill. Do not step up. Fakul's gonna engage very fast on this choke. Get ready to defend.
Ingat sa wall,
Dalawang depth tank patay.
Road.
Incha nga puli ah.
Yung isa na depth
Spread.
hindi yan.
Just wait only, okay?
Balik na ako sa side.
He's going inside, ah.
Right now.
South.
Yeah.
Pwede na mamatay.
They're wrapping a bit, okay? So be careful.
Careful over the wall.
Nice engage there. Hold on. I'm trying to look for Fakul. I don't see him, man.
Poison
Yeah, I
ba?
don't see him also.
Careful front line. He playing behind usually of his zerg. Or like in the middle of his zerg. Yo, can we get knocked down? Yo,
East side, east side.
can we kill this tank in the front? Look at this tank in the front. South side. Get ready. Wait. 5.
Sa
Okay, come back.
southwest.
Hold.
Nandito ako sa
Come back. Wait.
northeast.
Everyone, defend out. Southeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow. Okay, come back.
Titingin na mga...
Yeah, we have bomb squad. Don't worry, we have a bomb squad. Yo, help my east side. Heal up my east side.
naririnig kasi yung-
Just help my bomb squads, okay?
Di pa rin.
Yo, help my bomb in the front. Just kill front line shallow, okay? Just kill tank shallow.
Support yung
ballistas
bomb
on
natin
the
ha.
east side.
Pag
Yeah, the
mag-
brawlers just brawl inside.
Dismount.
The people at the east side, be careful. Please be careful.
Dismount well.
Remounting yung ano.
It's probably a fucking hit spike on acid.
Remounting yung BM.
Yo, listen. We're not gonna counter fast. We're just
Yo,
gonna.
masyadong
we're
maraming
gonna-
balista dito.
Wait a
Dalawa
bit,
nga go
and then-
north.
Dito ako sa
Okay.
isa, tingin na.
Yo, listen, one behemoth, can you ready to silence
Nasa
their
west. Nasa
where
east
they're
din
going
ako
back? If they engage
Masyado
deep
na
again,
tayo, marami
okay?
din kasama
Yo,
ko,
ready defense up front.
We have many
okay?
east side, ah.
Sino na sa south?
Yeah, careful. Spread northwest,
ikaw na lang,
careful.
Is
Meron sa likod. Saka may
east side.
may
Incha nga
Yo,
lang.
Careful, boy.
Walk.
Just careful. Just
Stepping
wait.
up, stepping up,
Careful
stepping up,
east side,
stepping up,
They're stepping up east side, okay? They're stepping up east side, careful. Hold on, Marika, spread more. Hold on, Marika, very
Right side
shallow. Get ready, okay? Hold. Careful. Fakul gonna look soon. Just wait. Hold on, heal up. Marika, shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. I come back. Fakul is your counter. I come back. Careful. Hold. Brawl inside. Brawl the tanks inside. Brawl the tanks only. Okay? Brawl the tanks only. Careful in the front, boys. Careful in the front.
Yo, yung jug. Paano siya yung
Yeah, I
jug?
mark
Masyadong
Fakul already,
malalim.
okay? He's east side of me, okay? Careful, okay? Spread. Ready defense on this choke. Listen, ready spam guards on this choke, okay? Do.
Brawlers
He's gonna
nasa
look
northeast
soon.
side, ah.
He's about to engage. Careful.
East side
He's
walking.
looking. He's on the east side. Okay, Fakul on the east side. Careful, boys. Careful. Spread more. Hold on. Ready defenses here. Yo, Marlika, shallow east side. Get ready. Wait. Fakul looking shallow east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow east side. I come back fast. Miss. Come back fast. Yo, hold them. Just hold them. Spread only. Good hold. Just hold only. Brawl shallow only. Careful, okay? Careful northeast side, boys. Just wait. Tanks, just control them from climbing up this choke here, okay? Just control them. Ready? They're looking. Defend out. Hold. South side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South side now. Come back, okay? Yo, damage faster, okay? Damage must be faster. Careful northeast side. Nice one, Kaba. Nice one. Hold. Heal up. Wait. On the next engage, just wait. They're about to engage, okay? Ready to hold them.
Nasa northeast pa rin ako.
Listen,
Nasa
just
baba
hold,
pa rin si Pakwan.
okay? Just hold. Heal up front line only. Wait only, boys. Patience.
They're going south.
Hold on, okay? Wait. Careful, okay? They're stepping out. Okay, come back northwest. Okay, just hold. Hold on, you tell me where they are.
Kiting.
Come east side a bit. Step up a bit. Okay. Where are they? How big are they still?
Mga
Southeast.
Come northwest, come northwest.
one friend away.
Come northwest. Don't be too far away from me.
Come back.
Are they still holding?
Come back to front.